Okay, so there was some issue with the network, so I have to switch my Wi-Fi network, and now it's working. Okay, so let me know in the chat if you can hear me properly and if you can see me properly. And I'm just waiting for YouTube to update and notify everyone that we are live. So I'm just checking on my phone as well if things are going good. Okay. Uh, okay, which game we are playing here? Okay, I can hear myself. Anyone on LinkedIn watching this? Because we are live on two different platforms. And also, if you enjoy this type of live sessions, live quiz, hit that like button so that I will know you are enjoying this. My voice is low, is it? How about now? Is my voice proper? I've just boosted my signal. Okay, just a second. I'm just waiting for YouTube to update everyone before we start this. I'm going to share my screen. I'm just doing setup of the quiz. Which one you boosted? Any device using? Sorry, which one? What? Oh, for the audio. Uh, so basically, this mic is connected with the Focusrite. What do you call that box? I forgot the name of this. Uh, which connects your XLR cables. So using which I can just tune it. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen now. Share screen. Only one tab, and here we go. So how do we join this quiz? It's very simple. You can click on, I mean, you can scan this QR code here, and that's how you can join. Yes, you can also join through your laptop. I would suggest to join from phone. That's good. In fact, I'm going to share this link as well. You can also use. You can also join through this link. So just waiting for everyone to join. Okay, so once we cross 150, we'll start the quiz. Okay, almost there. I'm not able to see the chat from LinkedIn. Anyone watching this on LinkedIn, or we are not live on LinkedIn? Let me just verify. Okay, looks like we are live on LinkedIn as well. But no one is typing the comments on LinkedIn. Okay, so here we go. I'm starting the quiz in next 5 seconds. Okay, now I can see the messages from LinkedIn. That's good to know. Okay, so everyone, before we start, I have some instructions. So if you want to win this quiz, it's very simple. You have to give right answers. So the first winner will get 5,000 INR, second winner will get 3,000 INR, the third winner will get 2,000 INR. But also remember, if you cheat, you will lose the point. So it's about giving the right answer fast as possible, because the faster you answer this, the more point you will get. But if you try to cheat, there are some restrictions. And if you try to cheat, if you try to switch the tab, there will be a penalty for this. So there are instructions. So stay on this tab. Don't go out. In fact, you will see these instructions on your mobile screen as well. Don't use any shortcuts. Don't try to copy paste, and no screenshots. If you do this, there will be a penalty, or you will get banned from the quiz. So this is what we have done to stop cheating. Yes, it is free to participate. Okay, so don't switch. So here we go. Starting this quiz. The first two questions will be just for fun, and then we'll start with the actual quiz. So the first question: what would you like to learn on Telescope that isn't available yet? So these are our trainers generated by AI. Face exactly is not matching. That's not my face. But yeah, Heather is almost there. Naman, I can say 98% looks like this. Akshay, 90%. For me, I think I can say 60%, 70%. Heather, almost 70%. Okay, so I mean, technology which we are not teaching on Telescope, and then that's what you want to learn. So you're saying Java, we are a primary Java channel, so Java is already there, Python is there. DevOps, we do have videos on DevOps. Maybe you're not exploring the platform much. So on YouTube, there is a playlist tab. Check out, there are multiple playlists. JavaScript, yes, we have, but yeah, we'll try to make more of that. DSA we do have, but not in extreme way. AI content we are already making now. It's in making. Angular we don't have. Okay, but do you need Angular? Agentic AI is on the way. MCP will make it. MongoDB, yeah, okay. Cybersecurity we don't have. Spring we already have. Databricks, okay. Generative AI. So mostly it is AI, agentic AI, AWS. Okay, so there is a course starting from the 1st of May for DevOps. You can check the link in description. I'll just keep this QR open here in case if you want to join this quiz. Okay, looks good. So we'll go through this data, and we'll figure out what exactly you want. Okay, next question. What's your dream trip destination in India when you are traveling with friends? Okay, now so let me just give you a context for this particular question. if my team is watching this. So basically, we are planning for a Jalisco trip this year, and I suggested Goa, but the team had some other options, and I think Goa will win. Maybe team, you forgot to mention the month in which we are traveling. They might suggest a different option. So we're planning somewhere around July. So it's Manali, Goa, Bangalore, Assam, Kerala. Yeah, Kerala is also a good option. Andaman Nicobar, okay. Pondicherry, Hyderabad. What is winning here? It's looks like Goa is winning. uh, Remote village in Himachal. But we need a guide for that, right? So if you want to go somewhere where this is not a tourist spot exactly, so that's where we need a guide. We should do this before we go on a trip. We should announce, and then some of you can help us. Okay, so the winning is Ladakh, then Goa. Somewhere I can see Dubai. Is it from my team? Matharan we did last year, and it was fun. Okay, thank you so much for the input. And now it's time to start with the actual quiz. All set, everyone? So we're starting with the actual quiz. And here we go. The first question. So the quiz is on the cloud computing. Make sure that you answer correctly and fast. Also, don't try to cheat. Don't switch the tab. Otherwise, you will get penalty. So the first question, everyone, coming on your screen. And here we go. In this type of cloud, an organization rents cloud services from cloud provider on demand basis. So which one is it? Okay, time up. This should be easy. And yeah, majority voted for public, and that is correct. Great work. Okay, next question coming on your screen. And here we go. A company wants to host an app on cloud but keep its database on premise. Which model it is? Okay, time up. Let's see. This could be tricky. If someone knows cloud computing, they know the answer. But majority voted for hybrid, and that is correct. So basically, we are using a cloud, a public cloud, but then we are keeping certain things on-prem. So it's a hybrid approach. Okay, so I want to show you the leaderboard as well. So it's about the correct answer, but also how fast you're doing this. So let's see the leaderboard. And I can see most of the new name. I think Maulik was there last time as well. Antriksh, I can see the name. Ayansha, I think this is the first time you came in top 10. Then we got Yash, Sashi, Vignesh. Vignesh was there earlier. Raghavindra, Karthik, Shiv Murugan, Maulik, S. Vivek, I think was there before. Great work. Again, we just did 2 questions. More to go. So next question, everyone, coming on your screen. Okay, someone just joined the live. You can scan this QR code and you can join the quiz. In fact, I'm going to paste this link once again to join. Okay, next question, everyone, coming on your screen, and here we go. Which of the following is not a type of cloud server? This should be easy again. So it's the merge cloud services. Never heard this name. Okay. So merge cloud service is not a standard or recognized category in cloud computing. Cloud providers and industry documentation do not use this term. That's what I've never heard about this. Okay, next question, everyone. Coming on your screen. And here we go. Google Docs is a type of cloud computing. So which one it is? Okay, it's a type of cloud computing. Yes, of true or false? So basically, you're not doing it on your machine. So it's true. Okay, looks like questions are easy. But let's see what you have for the next 11 questions. Next question, everyone. Coming on your screen. I hope you're all set. And here we go. Which cloud model gives the user full control over OS, storage, and networking? Anyone worked on AWS, or sorry, not AWS, anyone worked on cloud should know this. Okay, time up. Let's see the correct answer. And it's infrastructure as a service. Easy peasy. Okay, time to see the leaderboard and let's see how you are doing. So let's hit the leaderboard and it's Ayansha still doing good. Top 10 not moving much. I think Karthik is a new entry here. Abhishek new entry. Shripti, Vachan. Okay, these are the new entries. Great, but not far. You can still compete with Ayansha. Next question coming on your screen. And here we go. Which cloud service model gives developer a ready platform to build, deploy apps without managing OS? There's something as a developer we use a lot. And time up. Okay, it's loading question not showing. Anyone facing this issue? Let's see the correct answer. It is pass. Going to Mumbai again. Okay. Next question coming on the screen. And here we go. Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud is well known. So the EC2, which we create the instance of, is what? Okay, let's see the correct answer. It's an infrastructure as a service. Okay, people are doing good. Great work. So time to promote the course. So the course is coming up for DevOps. So check out the Telescope platform on the new LMS. Basically on the new platform, we have our new course coming up. So check the description. You will find multiple links. Check for the DevOps. Okay, next question, everyone, coming on your screen. And here we go. What do you call the geographic location where the cloud provider builds its data center? I know the answer, but I'm just confused. What do you call this in different clouds? I know this for Amazon, but that's where we are using most of our services. Okay, let's see the correct answer. It's region. But do you call region in Google Cloud as well? Or maybe Azure? Anyone worked on different? Okay. And time to see the leaderboard once again. Let's see who's doing well. Okay, there have been some changes in the leaderboard. So Sashi just came on top, very close to Ayansha. Then we got Raghavindra, again very close. Yash is there, again very close in 1400s. Karthik, Shivamurgan. Then we got Sridipti, Vignesh, Vachan, Antarish. Okay, I love this fight. Okay, so next question coming on your screen, and here we go. What is the data center in cloud computing? Question is small, but options are huge. Time up. So let's see the correct answer. It's the physical facility where used for housing server hardware racks. So if it is not running on your machine, it is running on some machine somewhere in the world. Okay, next question coming on your screen, everyone. And here we go. What is the minimum number of availability zone AWS recommend for high availability? Okay, time up. Let's see the correct answer. It's 2. Okay, so AWS recommend using at least 2 availabilities. So that's minimum number. You can have more. I was having, so for me, normally I always think about 3. If one can go down, the second one also can go down. So 3 is a good number, but minimum you should have 2. Okay, next question, everyone. So we got 5 more questions to go. Yeah, it should be 3, but minimum is 2. Okay, next question coming on your screen. What is the horizontal scaling also commonly called? Time up. So it's scale out. Scale up is, I think, vertical. Okay. Time to see the leaderboard, and then after this, we'll directly see the leaderboard at the end. So let's see the leaderboard. It is still Sashi and Ayansha, very, very competitive. It's 20 points away. Then we got Karthik, Shivamogan, Vignesh, Antarish. We got new entries here. Hitesh, Priyadarshani, Maulik is still there, Abhishek. Okay, 4 more questions to go. So the next question, everyone, coming on your screen, and here we go. A company upgrades their database server from 16 GB RAM to 64 GB RAM. What is this? Okay, let's see the correct answer. It is vertical scaling. I know why I'm feeling questions are easy. Okay, next question, everyone. 3 more questions to go. The next question coming on your screen. And here we go. Which AWS service is used for object storage? Even this is easy if you heard about AWS. And time up. And the answer is S3. Team, we need to make some difficult questions. So S3 is the simple storage service provided by Amazon. Okay, two more questions. Okay, make sure that you have your phone charged next time. Next question. Which protocol is used to securely transfer files between a client and a cloud server? So this securely term is important here. Let's see what you answered. SFTP is right. So people who voted for FTP, maybe you have not seen this word securely. And the last question. I hope you're all set. Coming on your screen. And here we go. What is the name for the managed cloud service that handles authentication and user identity? And the term which I don't like much. And the answer is AIM. IAM. Yeah, IAM. So IAM stands for Identity and Access Management and is a cloud service that manages user identities and authentication. Okay, that was the quiz. And let's see who are the winners. And for the team, please, next time, bit difficult. And let's see the answer. Oh, sorry, let's see the winner for the quiz. And the winner is Sakshi. Then we got Ayansha and Karthik. So Karthik jumped a good number. So good job, everyone, and congratulations, winners. You will get the email from our team in next 4 days. Maybe expect it before Thursday or by Thursday. And top 10. So there's a tie as well. So for the fifth position, we got a tie. That's good. So we got Antaresh, Raghavendra, Shiva, Vignesh, Hitesh, Priyadarshini, and Yash. Great work, everyone. How was the quiz? Simple? Enjoyed? So once again, there is a DevOps batch coming up. Check the description for the link. In fact, check out all the courses and see which one you like. Soon we are going to come up with AI engineering course. Okay, Malik says, I mean, you are there in top 10. And 28, I have intro to cloud computing exam anyways. Yeah. Bit more practice. Okay, you got 10th position. The thing is, this is top 10. Just because we have a tie here, that's why it says we are going to 9. Because I can't get more to show here. May I know when you are announcing the next topic? So basically, before the quiz, 2 hours ago, we make it live on YouTube, which is the next topic. So make sure that you subscribe the channel and also hit that bell icon so that you will know. Okay, I got all correct, but rank is 70. Maybe because of the timing. So it's also you have to answer fast. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's live. Thank you so much for joining. See you next time with next topic. And keep learning, keep building. There are multiple. So if you go to YouTube channel, there's a tab called playlist. Check out different courses and don't just watch them. Build something. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye bye, everyone.